Okay, so this is just a kind of quick demo on how to create styles. So first of all, if we just open the road style editor, we'll go into a lot of the basic settings and how to do it. So this is the default view for the road style editor. So normally it just creates this two-lane road. It's just the default. First thing is we can throw in a name. Say we want a regular two-lane road. So this is two-lane road. We're going to assign a speed limit to it. So say 55 miles an hour. A road color. I'll kind of keep that a kind of, I think that's very black. We'll enable sidewalks for it. We'll make the width, say, 8 units. Sidewalk height of 1 and a sidewalk color of 128, 128, 128. We can enable and disable edge lines if needs be, but you can keep them on. Going into lanes, lanes can be added and removed. Oops. Can be added and removed very easily. Click the add lane button to add lanes. You can have up to 256 lanes, which I doubt you ever use, but we'll just keep it on 2 lanes for now. Each lane has their own properties. I like to make the lane width around 15. That seems to work well. Kind of creates a road like this. Sidewalk just enables if that's a sidewalk. That's really useful if you want to do like split roads, like so you can have like stuff in the middle, like maybe like lampposts or props or things. But yeah, if you don't want to do that, it's really easy to remove a lane as well. You can just simply click the X on it. A lot of the lane properties are kind of self-explanatory. So we have if there are sidewalk, if passing is allowed. I'll disable that for these two, and the direction properties. This can either be 0, 1, 2, or 3. So for sake of purposes, 0 is going down, 1 is going up, and 2 is bidirectional. That's useful for like if you want a turning lane or something. Which I'll get into a little later. Props, same sort of thing. Just press add prop. We can add props. I have no props on this save, but if you wanted to add props, you can. All the settings are here. We have what like sidewalk we want it on, or if we want it in the middle of the road. The mode, single, repeated, or junction. So single, we'll just put one prop on the road. Repeated will put it between 2 positions and use the repeat distance to do that. And then the junction prop is exactly the same as single, apart from it will only appear on the end segments of junctions. This kind of start position thing will do it based on the segment, if that makes sense. So this with 0.5x and 0.5z will put it in the middle of, say, the road in this case at the end. Probably what you'd want is something like that. So that would be on the middle of the sidewalk, on the right sidewalk. The rotation property is fairly simple. Just the X, Y, and Z rotation just allows you to do that. Kind of useful if like you have a primary part that's offset. When you're all done with it, you can save it. It will actually tell you where it puts it, so it puts it into twolaneroads.rds or road styles even. The data is there. I wouldn't touch this, but you can modify it if you want. So let's create a 3-lane road. So we can rename it as long as they have unique names. That's all that matters. If we save it, you'll see that pops up. If we rename this back to 2-lane road, it will ask us if we want us to overwrite it. Let's say this already exists, so you're sure you want to overwrite it, press yes to overwrite it. So let's load back up 3-lane road. Let's add the extra lane there. Make it 15. Not a sidewalk. Make passing allowed to make it direction 1. So as you can see, we actually have currently a lane going this way, then 2 lanes going that way. But if we make this direction 2, for example, we can see that now this has got like a turning lane in it. So we can overwrite that, and that's now our 3-lane road. So to kind of change up the styles and everything, this will auto-populate. If you go to the road menu and go into styles, you'll see they'll auto-populate here. If we draw a 2-lane road then, what it looks like, and then we can draw a 3-lane road. And there we go. It should automatically do all the things you need to do. So, yeah. So that's kind of the basics on how to create roads. I'll send these two examples across now. But if you want to add props, it's fairly easy. But if you need any help, you can contact me again. So yeah, I guess that's kind of it.